guys, welcome back to my channel. And what I have for you today is I was at the Dollar Tree and I was looking for stocking stuffers, and I found some wonderful stocking stuffer gifts. You can either put in people's stockings, or you can give as Secret Santa gifts. So I thought you might enjoy seeing what I found. So I'm really excited to show you. So let me show you what I found, and this is in no particular order. The first thing I found were these pins. You get 3 pins, and they're really cute designs, and they had 2 different colors. And I really do think these would make a nice little gift to stick down in someone's stocking, or if you get a Secret Santa gift at work, or just like put it in for the mailman or the lady that does your nails or your hair, or just somebody like that, you know, or somebody that just needs a little pick-me-up. This would be a good gift, and it's only $1. Okay, and then I found this cinnamon apple candle, and it smells like, seriously, a slice of apple pie. I love it. I think this would make a wonderful, like I said, stocking stuffer or Secret Santa gift. And it's really cute, and I think this will burn quite a while. Then when I was in there, I found this, and it's just for a little, it holds like little note cards in here. And it looks really pretty, and they could set it on their desk or by their phone, and they had several to choose from. But I really think this is really cute and clever. I mean, that would make a great stocking stuffer. And when I was working, we used to always do Secret Santa gifts, and I always loved getting something like this. Okay, then I found this, and they have several different types, but this one is Amazing Grace. It's hardbound, and I love this. When it opens up, you can personalize it to, from, and the date, and it just has some very uplifting verses in here. This one says, natural strength is what we receive from the hand of God as creator. Spiritual strength is what we receive from God in grace. And it gives credit to who wrote it. And this, God grades us on the cross, not on the curve. I thought that was really nice. And then it has like Bible verses in here too. So if you know someone that's going through a rough time, or just wants to have something very uplifting, this would be great. Or somebody in your church, you could give this as a gift, like somebody that teaches Bible study or takes care of your children in their Sunday school class. I think this would be great. Then I found this large print crosswords, and I think this would be wonderful for an older person in your life, or even me. I wear contacts, so when I try to see up close, I can't and I've tried the like the trifocal, whatever where at the bottom it adjusts so that you can see, you know, and it doesn't work for me. So I just wear my contacts with my readers so that I can see up close, because I'm nearsighted, I can't see far away, and this would even be perfect for me. So I just really think this is a really cute gift. And then I found this folding brush with mirror. I think this is really cute. Even if you have a little daughter, she might like to put this in her locker at school, or in her purse, anything like that. This is just when I was in school, I had one of these, and the brush just popped out, and I had my mirror, and it was hilarious. But I really enjoyed it. So this is a good gift. Then my beauty spot, you get a petty tool, and I thought this was very clever when I saw that. You have a nail brush, and you have a pumice stone, a metal nail file, and a smoothing nail file, all on this. And this would be a nice little stocking stuffer, like I said, or a Secret Santa gift. And then I saw these bath bombs, and this is a little mermaid's tail, and I think that is just so pretty. Who wouldn't want a bath bomb to de-stress? I mean, your hairdresser, anybody. So I think that's a really good gift. And then I saw this sassy and chic nail file, the kind that buffs, polishes, sands. I love these things. I keep these with me all the time because I get ridges in my nails. So I think this is a winner. And my last thing I found was this right here, and I thought how nice just to put this in your purse. It's small enough and compact. You can take it if you have something you need to write down, you have it. And this just had the little bicycles on it, and I thought it was really cute. So I hope you enjoyed these stocking stuffer ideas or Secret Santa gifts from the Dollar Tree. I think they're very economical and very clever little ideas. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.